Hi guys, good morning. Have a great day ahead. Let's continue on today's topic. Do you know how a hydrogen fuel cell produces electricity? Let's understand it step by step. A fuel cell converts hydrogen and oxygen directly into electricity. Pause. Without burning fuel. First, hydrogen enters the anode. Here, it splits into protons and electrons. The electrons cannot pass through the membrane, so they flow through an external circuit, and this flow produces electricity. At the same time, protons move through the membrane to the cathode. At the cathode, oxygen from air combines with protons and electrons, forming water. The result? Clean energy, zero pollution, and only water as waste.